Our journey began here in Cape Town. We've always loved coffee and we had this dream of starting a coffee business. But while we were renting out coffee machines, we found something that we did not expect.
We started with a problem. The units of our coffee machines were filthy and we had no way to clean them. So we made one, the first ever cleaning pod for coffee machines. And that one capsule changed everything.
From there, we grew one day at a time and we built a global brand. We went from one cleaning pod to over 30 coffee cleaners, descalers and tablets, and our Cape Town team now delivers our cleaning range to over 52 countries.
We saw our challenges as opportunities and we learned from them to push forward. That's how Caffenu became more than just a coffee cleaner. It reflects what we believe in, a true passion for coffee and endless possibilities.